Can you drink alcohol on the ketogenic diet? Will drinking alcohol kick you out of ketosis? What kind of alcohol can you drink on the keto diet? And also, what is the bad news about drinking on the keto diet? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. As you can see down in the title, we will be discussing, can you drink on the ketogenic diet? Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Now let's get straight into this video. The answer is, of course you can. Yes, drinking on the keto diet does come with a little precautions, but you can enjoy a drink every once in a while. There's nothing wrong with that. Will drinking on the ketogenic diet knock you out of ketosis? I'm sure a lot of people want to know that answer, and the answer is no. It will not kick you out of ketosis. The only way you will get kicked out of ketosis while drinking on the ketogenic diet is if you consume something that contains high carbs or a lot of sugar inside the drink. Drinks you should avoid: coolers. What is safe to drink on the ketogenic diet? You can continue to drink anything that has lower carbs. So you're looking at vodka, whiskey, gin. Some beers are okay. Like I said before, just watch your labels, as well as wine is okay. Just watch your labels. Some of them are very high carb and high sugar. So if you consume something like that, that will definitely kick you out of ketosis, and you don't want that. Stick to drinks that have no carbs or low carbs. Also be wary of coolers. The other day my fiance brought me home a drink, and because of course I enjoy a drink once in a while, it was a hard lemonade made with vodka, but when I looked at the ingredients, it had agave nectar in there. So agave nectar or any kind of sugar sweetener, just double check, because a lot of them can kick you out of ketosis, and I believe agave nectar is one of them. Also honey, things like that. So just double check what you are consuming, and you guys should be fine to drink whatever you want as long as it's low carb. One final thought I'll leave you guys with before you decide if you will continue drinking throughout keto diet is that when you do consume alcohol, your body is gonna preference getting rid of that alcohol. What I mean by that is, usually when your body is in ketosis, of course you are burning fat consistently, and that process is going out throughout the day whenever you stay in ketosis. But as soon as you drink alcohol, your body is going to start trying to fight off that toxin, the alcohol, and it will start to work on the toxin instead of keeping your body burning high amounts of fat. I don't know if I explained that well, but what I mean by that is your body will continue to start to try and get rid of the alcohol instead of keeping you at the highest state of ketosis. So you will still be in ketosis. You just won't be burning as much fat throughout that time period as you are drinking. So when you are drinking, and if, say for instance, you eat something, your body will not be digesting that food as well as it was when you are not having that drink. And this, I guess, depends on how many drinks you have, of course. If you have like one drink, usually that, you're fine. But if you're having more drinks, then your body will start to preferentiate that alcohol, and like I said, you will not be kicked out of ketosis, but your body will have a harder time fighting to burn off that fat. So in conclusion, if you guys want to continue drinking alcohol, there's nothing wrong with that, but they are saying it can stall your weight loss. I'm not sure if that's true, and it's up to you guys if you want to drink or not. Anyways, that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Do not forget to like, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.